Public liability are claims for compensation for injuries you have sustained on someone else's premises or a place. The requirement is that the injury was sustained as a result of negligence of the occupier or the owner. For instance, if you are at a shopping centre and the floors were extremely wet and you slipped over as a result and sustained those injuries, it could be determined that the owner or the occupier were responsible, they were negligent, and hence you'll have a claim for public liability. Their requirement there should have been that they should have cleaned the spillage to avoid this injury. If someone is making a claim for public liability, there needs to be a reason to make a claim. That is, an injury, either physical injury or psychological injury. Relevant and related medical evidence from your treating general practitioner or specialist. We would also encourage an individual, a claimant, to take photos of the injury site, if it was on a stairwell or if it was slippery surface or a hole in the ground. A photograph will go a long way to show that the occupier or owner was negligent. We'll take the necessary steps, we'll obtain your instructions, we'll get a history from you and collate the medical and other evidence that we need. Once we've done that, we will make a claim for compensation on the occupier or owner directly or through their insurer. If rejected or the claim is not satisfied, we will start court proceedings. And in order to start court proceedings, we'll file the necessary court documents and the supporting evidence that we have with it.